You're putting in the hours, you're hustling, you're creating content, but something's missing. You're not seeing the results you want. You're not converting those free leads into paying clients. Sound familiar? It's a common struggle, but there's a solution. Let's face it. Let's face it. Turning those casual scrollers into loyal customers is the name of the game. It's about building relationships, providing value, and showing them why they need what you offer. But how do you do that? Start with the foundation, email marketing. It's time to stop chasing quick fixes and focus on what actually works. It's time to build a sustainable business that brings in consistent revenue. Ready? Let's dive in. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Email marketing is king. It's not just a tool, it's a strategy that can transform your business. It's the most direct and personal way to connect with your audience. Unlike social media, where your message can get lost in the noise, emails land directly in their inbox. It allows you to build relationships, provide value, and ultimately convert leads into paying customers. With the right approach, you can turn casual subscribers into loyal advocates for your brand. Think about it. When you give someone your email address, you're giving them permission to enter your inbox. It's a sign of trust and interest. You're inviting them into your world. This is your chance to make a lasting impression. This is a powerful opportunity to nurture that relationship and guide them towards becoming a customer. Consistent, valuable communication is key. But first, you need to build your email list. Without a solid list, your efforts won't reach their full potential. Start by offering something valuable for free in exchange for their email address. This is known as a lead magnet. This could be an ebook, a comprehensive guide that solves a problem for your audience, a checklist, a step-by-step plan, a webinar, or an exclusive online event, or anything else your audience would find valuable. The key is to offer something that addresses their needs and interests. Everyone loves free stuff. It's human nature. Offering a valuable freebie is the perfect way to incentivize people to sign up for your email list. But don't just give away anything. Make it good. Your freebie should be something that truly provides value to your target audience. It should be something that solves a problem they're facing or helps them achieve a specific goal. Think about your ideal client. What are their pain points? What are they struggling with? Create a freebie that addresses those needs. Now, you need to make sure people can easily access your awesome freebie. This is where landing pages come in. Section 4, landing pages. Keep it clean, keep it focused. Your landing page is the first impression you make on potential subscribers. Make it count. This is where visitors decide whether to stay or leave, so it's crucial to grab their attention immediately. A clean, focused, and high converting landing page is crucial for capturing leads. Avoid clutter and distractions that can confuse visitors. Think of your landing page as a virtual storefront. Just like a physical store, it should be inviting and easy to navigate. It needs to be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and have a clear call to action. Every element should guide the visitor towards taking the desired action. What should your call to action be? It should be compelling and direct. Subscribe to your email list in exchange for that irresistible freebie you've created. Make sure the offer is valuable and relevant to your audience. Keep the design clean and clutter-free. Use ample white space to make the content stand out. Use high-quality images and videos to make it visually engaging. These elements should enhance the message, not distract from it. And most importantly, highlight the benefits of your freebie and why someone should sign up for your email list. Clearly communicate the value they will receive. Section 5, nurture your leads, grow your business. Congratulations, you've got people signing up for your email list. This is a great first step towards building a successful business. Now, the real work begins. It's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work on nurturing those leads. You need to nurture those leads, provide consistent value, and build relationships that will turn them into paying clients. This requires a strategic approach and dedication. This is where email marketing truly shines. It allows you to reach your audience directly and consistently. You have a direct line of communication with your audience. Use it wisely. Make every email count. Send regular emails that provide valuable content, share insights, offer exclusive promotions, and showcase your expertise. Keep your audience engaged and informed. Be personal, be engaging, and build a community around your brand. Personalization can make a huge difference. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. Building trust takes time and effort. Email marketing gives you the opportunity to nurture those relationships and build trust with your audience. Celebrate your successes and keep improving. Section 6, unleash the power of affiliate marketing. Want to add another layer to your revenue generating machine? Look no further than affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to boost your income and expand your reach by partnering with other businesses in your niche. Essentially, you promote their products or services to your audience, and in return, you earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. You get to offer valuable products and services to your audience, and your affiliate partners get access to a wider pool of potential customers. Section 7, ready to turn your free leads into paying clients? Turning free leads into paying clients is a journey. It's about building relationships, providing value, and nurturing those connections over time. Remember, email marketing is your secret weapon. It's the foundation upon which you build your empire. So, what are you waiting for? Download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, and discover actionable strategies to skyrocket your email list growth and turn those subscribers into loyal customers. It's time to turn your passion into profits. Go out there, build your email list, nurture those leads, and watch your business soar to new heights. You got this.